Hello and thank you for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video about what to do if your refrigerator is not cooling properly or it's been about 10-15 years since you've done any maintenance to it. And yes, these refrigerators do require maintenance. Besides the obvious, we clean underneath and behind the fridge. That's what I'm doing now because I got OCD and I like to clean. So one of the other steps that I do once I pull out the refrigerator, since it's out, is we go to the back and we will disassemble this right here, cardboard, and underneath there's a motor. And what happens is that dust gets underneath and pretty much insulates the refrigerator lines. So stay tuned. Okay, I've taken out the 4 screws. There's 4 screws that hold this up. Straight across, lift up, pull out, and this is what we're dealing with in here. Now it doesn't look too bad because I cleaned it a few years ago, so it's not too bad actually right now. I will gonna send the vacuum in there, suck up any dust that's lying around, gently, being careful and everything. Stay tuned. All right guys, sorry I had to get a flashlight. See kind of dirty and dusty it is in here. There's a fan, it's spinning. So it's working, we're good on that. I'm gonna suck up all this dust around the lines here. See how that goes. Okay. Basically, you want to get anything that you can that's not tied down. Give it a quick brush, being careful. You want to get in between these coils best you can. That's what the fan is cooling off. Anywhere around here, around the electrical components, something that could start a fire. Basically, this stuff is an insulator. All right, guys, I just finished, and I'm gonna do a quick. This was really bad before. Could be better, but I needed better parts from the vacuum to get in these crevices. You could do it with a duster, a brush. This was like a few years ago. This was all freaking like white and gray from all the dust. I was able to get a lot of this stuff out. And I'm just doing maintenance now. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my content. Try to do this as a first trial. If your refrigerator is not cooling, it's probably working too hard, and this will make your refrigerator last 20 plus years. I got this refrigerator in 2008, 2007. No, I'm sorry. I got it in 2012, 2013. So it's about 11, 12 years old. Still works fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to put your cover back. That's it. It may not seem like it, but that all came out from in there and around it. So it's a decent amount of insulation there. Imagine all that wrapped around your stuff, making it work harder. Keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching.